Hi, welcome to Cynical DBS. Here for another deck profile with Mason. It's just our Herudegon Blue Yellow Storm. So here's Mason.
So we're boring, and this is a Herudegon deck profile of the Blue Yellow Storm deck, just our variant of it. I'm pretty sure you're going to see like a million of these deck profiles, but this is just our variant of it. So Herudegon, it's a blue leader, so it's already good, but it has an auto when this card attacks a leader card, ditch a card, draw two. There's a sweet little combo and synergy you can do with some cards in the deck, and then it awakens at 4 or less, untap 2 energy. On the back side, when it attacks, draw a card. But then your opponent, if you have 4 more energy, puts a card to the top of their deck, and it's 15k beater. I mean, like I said, it's already a blue leader, it's already strong, it's already got really strong abilities, so. Into the deck profile. Black cards, 3 Scientist Fu, best black card, one of the best, I wouldn't say the best, but definitely one of the best in the game. 25k double strike, draw 2 cards, overwhelms for 7, pay 1. It's pretty easy in this deck to get to, and it's basically a finisher in the deck. That's the only black card we ran. We did run some red for double striking effects to end the game as well. We ran 1 East Supreme Kai and 2 Champas. Doesn't matter which ones you run. They might as well be all 3 Champas, all 3 Supreme Kai. They all do the same thing, so it doesn't matter.
That's just what we had on us, so I just threw them in the sleeves.
Yeah, it doesn't matter too much. For Kamboku, because Kamboku was one of the broken decks with 8 super combos, you know, might as well be more broken. We also ran restricted to 1 flute, so we still ran it because it's still good. Helps you pick up your 5th Goten essentially, your 3rd Videl, whatever it is. Set 1 staple in every blue deck, Senzu Bean, or any deck that can run it. Senzu Bean's just always going to be around from set 1, it's too strong, untap 2, give 5k to something. It's ridiculous that it can be played on your turn or your opponent's turn, and it's one of our untap effects as well. Deck's all about untapping and just really setting up a strong hand. To even further our untap effects, 4 unyielding Trunks, Bondi please, help. This card is ridiculous and it just makes blue way too good. We also ran 4 super combo, Hoi, one of the best super combos in the game because you draw 2 cards and ditch 2 cards, but with the funny little synergy with this card is you can ditch the next card I'm going to show, which is, give me a minute here, oh no, you can ditch 4 Minosha and basically draw 3 cards because you get to search the legs, which we ran 3 of. Like I said, super combo times leader, like you'll never lose cards, you only net cards. It's one of the strongest draw engines in the game. For yellow, 1 battering laser. This helps in the main board, so that way when you're going for game, they try to negate it, you stop their negate, you win the game. We're Madmen, we only ran 3 successor. I think the 4th copy is just dead most of the time, and we agreed on that. You just draw it, can't combo with it, can't do anything with it, and if it has no targets, you're just a dead card. Same argument with Planet Vegeta, we only ran 3 just because it gets everything that we can't get with Successor. So, don't want to see too many copies of it, but you still want to see it. The goal is to kill turn 2, turn 3, and dive under the 4-turn rule that we've been talking about. 2 Bardock Iron Will, it's a 20k blocker double strike. That restands if you have Planet Vegeta out. It's also a 10k combo that comes out basically turn 1 on your Bardocks. So, 2 Carrying Mother Videl. Strong swap, another swap target, give 5k to something, draw a card. Pretty sweet to swap into turn 1 instead of your Goten, so then when you swap into your Goten you can make it a 15k because you're really trying to push for game with your Gotens, which we ran 4 of. Best BCC promo that Bandai's ever printed. Sometimes I think Bandai does not pay attention to what they're doing and they just print whatever they want and say it's good. 2 Adopted Father Son Gohan. Swap targets, it's basically more Bardock without taking the life, and it also has the relevancy of being a blocker. And we're 2 Porter on 4 Bardock, so we only ran 3. 3-2 line seems to work out just fine. I think a 3-3 line would probably be good, but 2-3 is good. 4th Bardock is just, most of the time it's combo power because you can't really use it, you can't play it down, and most of the time you only want 2 Bardocks so you can get into your 2 apes or 1 Bardock to get into your 1 ape, so 3 was fine. But that's it for the deck profile there. Like I said, it's a pretty easy deck to find deck lists on because people run it. It's one of the best decks in the format, but it's also one of the most complicated decks to play because there are so many different things to do that if you mess up, you could die. And you got to try to kill turn 2, turn 3,
and don't let the game go to that turn 4, turn 5, because you will start losing because you'll run out of gas. But yeah, that's it for me, guys.
All right, peace out. Check out Cynical DBS on Twitter, Beta DBS on YouTube. So check us out.